Treatment of Guillain-Barré syndrome. Treatment of Guillain-Barré syndrome. How will you treat the Guillain-Barré syndrome patient? At the early onset of the patient with Guillain-Barré syndrome, we do only immunotherapy. At early stage, we diagnose the Guillain-Barré syndrome. Normally, we do immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is the therapy of the immune system. This is the at early stage of the Guillain-Barré syndrome. If the Guillain-Barré syndrome at tier 2 stage and severe motor symptoms are present, if there is plateau stage, if there is plateau stage and severe motor symptoms, we also do immunotherapy because the Guillain-Barré syndrome is autoimmune disease in which the antibodies are formed against the myelin sheaths of neuron. They attack in the myelin sheaths of neuron after 1 to 2 weeks after the infection. Reinfection starts in the antigens have a resemblance to the body's tissues and they attack on the body tissues. So we give the intravenous immunoglobulin. In the severe stage we give intravenous immunoglobulin. The intravenous immunoglobulin we give in the infusions, and this intravenous immunoglobulin has a good safety and good recovery. This has good safety and good recovery. This is good recovery and good safety. We do and we inject the daily infusions of the intravenous immunoglobulin. In total dose of this infusion is 2 gram per kg body weight. We inject 2 gram per kg body weight infusions of the intravenous immunoglobulin daily. What is other therapy for the severe cases of the GBS? The other therapy for the severe cases of the GBS is plasmapheresis. Plasmapheresis, we do 40 to 50 ml per kg of the plasma. We inject 40 to 50 ml per kg of plasma and we administer 4 to 5 times. This we administer 4 to 5 times. 7 and 10 days after. 7 and 10 days. Every 7 and 10 days. Every 7 to 10 days we inject the 40 to 50 ml per kg of the plasma 4 to 5 times. Total times 4 to 5 times every 7 to 10 days we inject this. The dosage is 40 to 50 ml per kg. This plasmapheresis decrease the need of mechanical ventilation. This decrease the need of mechanical ventilation. Decrease the need of mechanical ventilation. This plasmapheresis decrease the need of mechanical ventilation. Full recovery occur 1 year after. At 1 year, full recovery occur. Full recovery occur at 1 year. The glucocorticoids is not effective. The glucocorticoids in cases of the GBS is not effective. We not give the glucocorticoids for the patient of GBS. We normally give the plasmapheresis, intravenous immunoglobulin, immunotherapy. This is the treatment of the GBS. Severe stage of GBS. what is the we do in the severe stage of the GBS, severe stage of GBS. In the severe stage of GBS, we do and we attend to vital capacity. We give attention to the vital capacity of the lung, to the vital capacity of the lungs. We give attention to the blood pressures, heart rate. We give attention to the heart rate. If there is arrhythmia, we control arrhythmia. And we give attention to deep venous thrombosis. 30% of GBS requires ventilatory support to avoid joint contracture. 30% of GBS patient requires ventilatory support to avoid the ventilatory problem. This requires the ventilatory support, but the plasmapheresis decrease the need of mechanical ventilation. Plasmapheresis decrease the need of mechanical ventilations. What is the prognosis of the GBS patient? What is the prognosis of the GBS patient? What is the prognosis? 85% of the patient of GBS have full prognosis, full recovery within 1 year. 85% of patient, this is good news. 85% of patient of GBS has complete recovery at 1 year. At 1 year, this is a complete recovery. Areflexia and other problems may maintain, but the cause of the death cause due in the Guillain-Barré syndrome is pulmonary complication. Cause of death is secondary pulmonary complication. Secondary pulmonary complication. But 85% of the patient of the GBS have complete recovery at 1 year of treatment. The mortality rate is less than 5%. Mortality rate due to GBS is less than 5%. This is good news. Mortality rate is less than 5%. 85% of the patient of GBS at 1 year of treatment have complete recovery. The worst prognosis patient, that is less than 5% of the patient mortality rate and death is due to secondary pulmonary infection. These patients that have worse prognosis, that have advanced age patient have worse prognosis. Severe attack patient, untreated severe attack patient have worse prognosis. When we delay the treatment, this is worse prognosis. Delay the treatment, advanced age, severe attack, and delay the treatment has worse prognosis, and less than 5% these have mortality rate.